Next topic are some definitions related with this multi-stage amplifier. Some definition related with this multi-stage amplifier. Which are they? We will see one by one. First one is gain. That is gain and gain. What do you mean by gain? Gain is nothing but the output electrical quantity, that is voltage, current or power, to the, it is the ratio, it is nothing but the ratio of input quantity in output electrical quantity to the input of the amplifier is known as gain. Okay, so the gain of the multi-stage amplifier A equals to given by A1 into A2 into A3 and so on. Okay, for example, if there are 3 stages, we can write A equals to A1 multiplied by A2 multiplied by A3. Second one is voltage gain. Second one is voltage gain, that is AV. Voltage gain AV. This AV equals to output voltage divided by input voltage. Equals to V0 divided by Vi. V0 divided by Vi. V0 divided by Vi. Then next topic is current gain. Current gain. Current gain, that is AI. So AI equals to output current divided by input current. Output current divided by input current, that is I0 divided by II. I. Next topic is power gain. Power gain, that is denoted by AP. So AP equals to output power divided by input power, that is P0 divided by Pi. P0 divided by Pi. This is the power gain. Next one is decibel. Next one is decibel. Decibel gain. Decibel gain. it is denoted by dB. Decibel gain dB. For example, 1 bell decibel or 1 bell equals to 10 dB. 10 dB. Okay. So the common logarithm log to the base 10 of power gain is called bell power gain. Its unit is bell. The smallest unit is known as decibel and abbreviated as dB. Abbreviated as dB. Okay. तो क्या है, बेल ये यूनिट है, 1 बेल इक्वल्स टू क्या होता है 10 डेसिबल. Okay, then next topic is types of amplifier coupling. Types of amplifier coupling. Types of amplifier coupling. Types of amplifier coupling. Okay, so what do you mean by coupling? In coupling, what happened? The output of first stage is the input of the second stage. Output of second stage is the input of the third stage. Okay, in this way we can cascading the number of RC network is called as a coupling. So in amplifier we are using various types of coupling. Which are they? So types of amplifier coupling, first one is resistance capacitance coupling. Resistance capacitance coupling, that is RC coupling. Second one is transformer coupling. Transformer coupling, TC. Third one is direct coupling, DC. Direct coupling, DC. And fourth one is inductive coupling. Inductive coupling. These are the types of coupling we are using the amplifier coupling: resistance capacitance, transformer coupling, direct coupling and inductive coupling. So we will see in next lecture the two-stage RC coupled amplifier. Two-stage RC coupled amplifier.